I the asshole for telling my fiancé's family that he's unemployed after they kept implying that I was a gold digger? So, my fiancé, M33, comes from a well-off family. I, F29, come from a working-class family. My fiancé's family are nice, but they can't help throwing comments at me about how I might be a gold digger. For example, if he buys me something they'll go, "Oh, Jason bought you that? You know what this looks like, right?" And or, "Wait, Jason paid for this?" Only gold diggers make their partners pay for stuff all the time. Just saying, it's so demeaning, and my fiancé does nothing to stop it. Especially now that he's in a bad place in life after he lost his job. And since he's keeping it secret, then I'm the one paying for everything. This has been going on for 4 months. Last week, his parents invited us for dinner and he insisted that we go, so we went. At dinner table his mom grabbed my hand, literally while I was eating, and looked at my bracelet and went, "Oh, this bracelet looks really nice, did Jason pay for it?" I nodded and reminded her that he bought it for me as a birthday gift last year. She was like, wonder how much it costs. She then leaned back and said, "You know, I remember when my brother was dating this gold digger woman, she'd receive expensive stuff like this," pointing at the bracelet here for her birthdays. I was stunned. I cut her off and asked if she meant to say that I was a gold digger. She threw her hands up and went, "I mean, if the shoe fits," while laughing awkwardly. Silence took over. I looked at my fiancé and he shook his head at me like, "What?" I snapped. I told her it was bold of her to imply I was a gold digger when I'm literally providing for her unemployed son, have been for 4 months now. They all looked shocked. She glanced at me in shock and his dad asked if it was true, and my fiancé just froze but looked so angry. An argument ensued and dinner was cut short and we had to leave after they started berating him. He had a rage fit in the car, just yelling and lashing at me. In my defense, I said that he sat by and let his mom continually imply that I was a gold digger, but he said that they never outright called me a gold digger, so it was all in my head. He said I still had no right to take advantage of his unfortunate circumstance to get back at his mom and expose him to the family. His parents went on about how disappointed they were, and now as a result, he got disinvited from Thanksgiving. He blew up at me because of it this morning and kept saying I screwed him over so badly when he was just an innocent bystander. Am I the asshole